Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create viral Instagram Reels using AI and Canva free account. Okay, first of all, I'm in Canva homepage right now, so I will navigate to the template option over here and search for Instagram Reels over here. You can see right now we have a lot of template for you to use as Instagram Reels. You can see everything is very professional, or if you have your own idea, you can create a blank Instagram Reel. So I will choose create a blank. Okay, you can see we have a blank Instagram Reels over here. Now to use AI to generate and Canva Reels, you will go to the Magic Media over here, and you can see you can use AI from free Canva account to generate image, graphics, or videos. But for videos, you need to have Canva Pro account. You can't use Canva free account to generate a video. So I will show you my solution later in the videos. Okay, first of all, I will generate an image. I have a prompt that a cat cooking in the kitchen, and I will generate image. Okay, you can see the image over here is very good using Canva free account. You can see we have a cat are making coffees, and I feel I very like this image, so I will use this image for my Reels videos. What I want to do here is I make this image to the moving video. So how you can do it, I will resize a little bit like this, and I will choose share over here. I will download this thing as a image. Okay, I will download this one. Okay, you have an image download over here. This one is my AI generated cat making coffee. Now I will use a free tools. It's AI Studio from Google, and you can navigate to the generate media, and then you can choose the video generated over here. This one is completely free. Now you can choose the aspect ratio. I will choose 9:16 is suitable for Instagram Reels. Now I will upload my image over here, and I will describe it a little bit. A cat making coffee in the kitchen, and I will run to make a videos using my image created from Canva. Okay, my videos finally generated, and you can see this video over here. This very funny videos created by AI. You can see this cat trying to making coffee, but I don't know what he's doing. That is very funny. And by this way, you can create many Instagram Reels using this AI. Okay, now I will download this video, and I will come back to my Canva projects. I will delete my old image, and now I will upload my videos from Google AI. I will put it here. Now you can see I have my videos now, so I will resize it a little bit, and I will try to play this video. Okay, that's very funny for this cat. So in the bottom of the videos, I want to add a color line. So in the element, you will scroll all the way down, and you'll find the shape option over here. I will choose this shape option, and then I will resize it a little bit. Okay, perfect. Now I can change the color of the shape to any kind of color you want. I want to change the color to black. And so now I can type in something. Okay, now I can change the font size a little bit. Now I will edit the font appearance. Okay, it's looks very good for Instagram Reels. So I will preview this video again. Yeah, it's looks very funny for this cat using AI. Now I want to add some music to this video. So I will choose the element over here, and you will see the option called audio. So you want to choose an audio that don't have the pro limitation over here, so you can choose the music free. This one is royalty free music, so it's suitable for Instagram. You will don't have some copyright issue, and you can find some music that's suitable to your Instagram Reels. I want to choose some funny music, so I will add this music over here. Okay, now for the volume, I will lower down the volume a little bit. This one is 100%. I can lower down it to 64. Okay, now you also want to choose a fade option here. It will lower down the volume in the beginning of the reel and the end of the reel. So I choose fade option over here. In the fade in, I will choose about 0.4, and fade out is similar 0.4. Okay, it's very cool. So now I will download this project and upload to my Instagram Reels. You can choose the share option over here, and you will have the option that you can directly share to Instagram. No need to download any video, so you can choose Instagram over here and immediately post from the mobile apps, or schedule to post from desktop. But now I just want to download the videos and upload it by myself, so I will choose download over here, and the MP4, the quality is 1080p, and now I will choose download over here, and all steps are free. You don't need to subscribe for Canva Pro account. Okay, my videos are download completed, and I can see my videos again. Okay, it's very cool video. So by this way, you can create many cool Instagram Reels using Canva and Google AI. Okay, that's all my videos. If you see my videos helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything related to Canva or AI. I will see you in my next videos.